Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This lesson's on mole ratios. Okay, we'll take this balanced equation. Looks like sulfuric acid plus lead hydroxide yields lead sulfate plus water. Okay, please notice that there are coefficients of 2 here. There's nothing here, but that's considered to be a 1. There's also nothing there, so that's considered to be a 1, and here's the coefficient of 4. So what is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of one thing to another. Alright, so mole ratios are actually pretty easy. So I'm going to give you all the mole ratios that we have of this particular chemical equation. So you can start off with 2H2SO4. Alright, there's 2 to that, to 1 PbOH4. There's 2 H2SO4 to 1 PbSO4. There are 2 moles of H2SO4 to 4 moles, and I'm just going to start writing moles, H2O. Alright, now you think you're done, but no, that takes care of this one. Each one of these has its own ratio. Alright, so let's do the next one. So we have 1 mole of PbOH4 over 2 moles of H2SO4, 1 mole of PbOH4 over 1 mole of PbSO4. So you kind of get the hint that I'm trying to do every possible combination. So that's what we're doing now. So we'll just go ahead and start writing these out. So that takes care of 2 of these guys now. So this one is okay, and this ratio is okay. Now let's do this ratio right here. So we're going to do this. We'll see 1 mole of PbSO4 over, and I just keep going it over, 2 moles of H2SO4, 1 mole of PbSO4, of course, over 1 mole of PbOH. You can start singing. You might want to start singing when you're doing this stuff because it kind of takes a while to do it. Alright, so 4 and 4 moles of course, H2O. Now you think you're done, but nope, we've got 1 more to go. So in essence, you're actually making 12 possible ratios. So we're going to start off with 4 moles of H2O over 2 moles of H2SO4, 4 moles of H2O over 1 mole of PbOH4, and then of course 4 moles of H2O again over 1 mole of PbSO4. Alright, so that takes care of that. Now notice that in the last 3, I used the term mole. Okay, I used moles there. In this one, I didn't use moles. And you know, that's a choice. You can write out the moles or not. You can just say it's 2 to 1, or you can put the mole in there. That's up to you. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you have a snarly day, and we hope to see you back here at Moose and Chemistry. Be awesome.